As our topic name is early embryonic development, it means that in this chapter we are going to study about some early development of an embryo, means early stages of an embryo. Cells mostly is of two kind of. One is known as eukaryotes and another is known as prokaryotes. Such kind of cells which having two nucleus they were known as eukaryotes, and those having no nucleus they were known as prokaryotic organism. So mostly these prokaryotes always single celled, while these eukaryotes may be multicellular or unicellular. So, within the multicellular eukaryotes, mostly two kind of cell found in their body, and these are one is somatic cell and another is germ cell. So, somatic cell means any cell that present in body except sperm cell and egg cell, and the germ cells are such kind of cells those have the capability in order to produce gametes. They were known as germ cell. So as we know that how an embryo is formed by such process like insemination, then fertilization, implantation, and then gestation. सो एम्ब्रॉय फॉर्म्ड होने के प्रोसेस में जो पहला एलिमेंट शो होता है टमी में yolk sac. So from that yolk sac, a cell is migrating which is known as premodial germ cell, means PGC, which is diploid in number, and that is the common source for both male gametes as well as female gametes. This premodial germ cell mostly occurred in primary ectoderm during the second week development. Blastula means a cluster of cells are present there whose primary germ layer is divided into two layers. One is known as ectoderm and another is known as endoderm. And that ectoderm is known as primary ectoderm, and in that primary ectoderm PGC is occupied. And then during third week development, the PGC in an amoeboid manner, PGC moved from primary ectoderm to yolk sac wall. And then PGC move along yolk sac to Vitelline and then wall of rectum. Then it crossing dorsal mesentery and then formed gonadal rees. Then what is the meaning of this dorsal mesentery? Dorsal means front side, and mesentery means to help in the attachment of intestine and wall of an abdomen, that is known as mesentery. So after crossing this, PGC formed gonadal rees. After forming this gonadal rees, the PGC is known as primitive gonadal premodium. Then, by the process of immigration, primitive gonadal premodium formed a germinal cords, kind of cords which have the capability in order to germinate or produce gametes, means that may be testes or ovaries. Okay. So during whole the process, as Premordia means gender of an embryo or fetus cannot be distinguished, so that this condition is referred to as the indifferent gonadal premordium.